we're standing here today at the new campus development site parking garage, which is close to Preston and Prince of Wales. What you're seeing behind me is the start of the erection of the precast elements that will form the basis of the parking garage structure. What you have is a combination of double T's, which are the support that the cars drive on, as well as some shear walls and some columns. All of these are connected together by structural steel plates and go all the way up until the roof, which is done out of structural steel members. The precast was started to be fabricated in Montreal several months ago, and by having off-site production of the precast, it allows for a quicker turnaround time and providing a parking garage operational quicker. Lots of activity on site, certainly around us. The precast, once finished on the east side, will then move over to the west side in October of '24, and then will probably flow through till about May of 2025.